When going on vacation or leaving your home for an extended period of time, you should always shut off the water supply and drain the system. This will help prevent excess damage if a leak were to occur. To shut off your main water supply, follow these steps. 1. Locate and shut off the main water valve below your water meter. The valve is located on a pipe that comes out of your basement ground floor. When the valve lever is running parallel with the pipe, it is open. Turning the valve so it is perpendicular to the pipe will shut it off. It is a good idea to label this if not already. 2. Starting from the top floor, open all sink faucets. This will push air into the system, helping the flow of water as it drains, and open any tub faucets. 3. Find the lowest sink or faucet in the home. Open it and let all water drain through the system. 4. Flush all toilets in the home to empty the reserve tanks. 5. Once there is no more water coming from any of the drains, with the exceptions of a few drips, you are done. If you are leaving the property unattended, leave the faucets open. If you are leaving your home for an extended period of time, someone is required to come check on the home every 2 to 5 days, as per your insurance policy. This is especially important in colder temperatures. Is there a topic you'd like to see? Let us know by contacting your customer care coordinator.